Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys aeroplane mode setting in our Technophone. In this video friends I will show you how can you turn off your aeroplane mode in your Technophone guys. You want to off your aeroplane mode, so friends you can off it. And guys now let's see how to off aeroplane mode in our Technophone. In this video I will show you friends. So before starting video fan, first of all go and subscribe the channel, and guys if you're new and guys you are watching my video first time, so guys click the bell icon also. So friends now let's see how to turn off aeroplane mode. So friends, first of all open your phone setting to off your aeroplane mode. Then guys scroll it, and guys you can see this type of setting. Guys click on guys here more connection settings friends, and guys you can see your aeroplane mode settings. So by right side you can see guys this blue icon. So guys tap here to turn off. After turn off guys you can see aeroplane icon will remove on your screen, and guys you can use guys your Wi-Fi setting and guys mobile data without any problem. So I hope friends you have understood how to turn off aeroplane mode in our Technophone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye friends.